Dad hacks! Okay, so if you're a dad,
What?
have a dad, or know about dad, the word dad,
Are you gonna be
a dad,
dad?
then these hacks are for you.
So you need.
Okay, so first you need a kid. No. Okay, so it looks like we're going to make something, we're doing some metal molding.
Alright. That's kind of weird. They took the aluminum foil, they just bend around, and they take it as a measurement for melting this metal,
And then they melt it.
and they melt it for a piece of. I mean, for me it's weird.
It doesn't really make any sense,
Yes,
but,
it
yeah.
doesn't make any sense.
Maybe it's just keying us into what the concept is going to be. So maybe they're making a bracelet or something.
Yes, that's. I'm not that smart to understand all these things.
It's okay. No. Neither am I. Okay, the comments have let us know many times.
Of course you are.
Okay, so now we're making, what is this thing?
I don't know. It's like
It looks like maybe it's gonna have something
cover
inside
for,
of it.
Yes, for that electronic part.
Uh-huh.
I didn't get what is that electronic part for.
Okay, so it has an inside to it. Now we're drawing out a shape.
So.
Excellent drawing.
Okay.
Much better than when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Ah, so he's making his son's drawing into metal.
Okay.
Cute, cute.
Yeah, but what's next? So see, what is this thing for?
I think it looks like a tracking fob, like weird. Okay. You know what are they called? Air tags?
Air tags, yeah.
Maybe it's something like that.
Maybe. So,
Okay, so now
for
we're
now
taking
they
the
just
car?
destroying things.
Yeah, and for now it's just all destruction.
Yes. Or
This is very weird.
it's
Okay.
like it's a bracelet, I guess.
Ah.
Technique, you know.
With little wheels on it. That's cute. Yeah, if my parents tried to do that, like make me break my toys, I'd be like, get out of here. That's my toy. I'm gonna break it by myself.
Yes, I don't need the help.
Don't worry, I'm gonna break this by myself.
Okay.
I remember whenever I broke a toy, I'd just like throw it in my closet. And then one day my mom went in my closet and she was like, what the?
Dang.
Yeah.
There is like, the place for the dead toys.
Yeah, it was literally like Toy Story. If they went in
Yes.
there, they would literally think it was a graveyard. Ah! Woody, I saw so many dead toys, Woody. Okay, so yeah, it's a tracking
you were
device.
right.
Question of the day: are you a father, have a father, or will be a father?
Let us know in the comments.
And like and follow Archie5 for more.
Dad hacks! Okay, whoa, almost got daddy there, buddy. Almost didn't have a Christmas. Alright, so now we're attaching these wheels to a barrel.
Okay, it's what it's gonna be.
Daddy, what you doing there, buddy?
Hopefully it's gonna be with some kind of engine.
Wow, okay, hopefully
Maybe. Yes.
they clean off the sharp edges after this, okay?
And okay. Oh, they have many of them.
Yeah.
Like on the background.
Okay, so we're spray painting this, making it nice and orange. Orange, objectively, is the worst color, though, in my opinion.
I'm fine
Objectively,
with
my
orange.
opinion.
I'm fine with orange.
What is your
Not
least
my
favorite color?
least color. I guess brown.
Okay, but orange is just light brown.
Yes, but there is a lot of orange kind of variation of orange. If it's
You know how many shades
brownish,
of brown there are?
I don't like them.
Okay.
If it's more, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm not
There are good things that are orange, like pumpkins and oranges, but yeah. But what came first? Was it orange or was it orange? Was it the fruit in orange, or was orange named orange before an orange was?
It's a very, very deep and very good
It's
question.
a profound question, actually. I would like to know the
Yes,
answer to that.
Yes, it's the question same as what
What
was
came first, the
yeah.
chicken or the egg? Exactly. It's almost the same level of complexity.
Okay.
But we've decided that the egg came first.
Yes.
Yes.
So let us know about the orange.
Yes. Okay. Now we're cutting off
Did you notice how they covered sharp edges?
Yeah, with a nice little foam thing. That's
Yeah.
good. That's good. Very smart father. Very responsible.
And I like the way how they make the connection between the limb with the tube, like to make it more flexible. when
Yeah,
the
that's nice.
turns and everything. Kind of clever.
Pretty cool. Now they made a
Oh.
little chest here so that the kid can carry around their toys, I think,
Or maybe it's for the
or their
Halloween.
enemies. Oh yeah,
Or maybe yes.
yeah, could be.
Okay. So.
I'd be a little worried that it's too heavy for the kid though. So if they like lift it up
Mhm.
and it drops by hand, you know, we don't want that.
Could be, but it's
Probably not. Hopefully not.
Okay.
Ah, it
wow.
goes on the back of the bike.
It's kind of
Looks a little dangerous actually.
Wow, look.
Like the one in the back, if he makes one small move, it's gonna go and like fly somewhere else.
But
wanna
this,
see
I
him-
like it.
I like it, but I want to see him make sharp turns.
Oh, here we go.
Not with the kid, obviously.
So kid can easily manage with this.
This is how to go to school
And-
in style.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
Okay, very good craft. Wow.
I like how the kid's like, it's okay.
Yeah. I don't want to.
I'm not even that impressed, honestly.
I don't want to school like so.
All right, give us more.
Orange.
Melt your metal! Whoa!
Let's see. So they're melting metal into a brick.
Yep.
Pretty innovative stuff. I've never seen that done before.
Interesting. What is this for?
5 Minute Crafts always likes to push the bounds of what is possible.
Yes, what you'll never see in
Yeah.
real life.
How could you ever come up with something as exciting as this and innovative?
Yes.
This is like Elon Musk crap right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can blame them for anything, but you should be agreed that
They make
their
they put effort into,
imagination on another level.
yeah, another level, way out in space. Okay, so
Like flight away.
yeah, it flew away. So what do they? They make the first part and then they took it out, and now they're just doing a brick mold.
I don't know.
Okay.
I guess they just wanna make the brick shape,
Sure, sure.
and after that put that metal part, because you can melt it on the this mold, because it will not heat resistant. Heat resistant? I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
It's my idea. I don't know. I'm not a smart guy.
Don't say that. You're okay. No. You're fine.
Thank you.
We're all just getting along here. We're not doctors. Okay, so they're remaking the brick.
Remaking the brick. Yeah. So still.
Cool. Okay, why? We're adding. I feel like this reminds me of one of those miniature houses that they make for like mice. I don't know why.
Interesting.
Okay.
Oh, it was a cover, which no, it wasn't.
Oh, it's like some sort of bag. Okay.
Very heavy, I guess.
Yeah, with
But
the metal part.
Fashionable.
It looks pretty cool if you're a construction worker, but you also like to look fancy.
I guess so.
Okay, cool. I like how it does everything
like
is suiting
this.
the construction worker vibe a lot, or like the handyman.
Yeah. Honestly, they spoiled it with this metal thing.
Yeah, I don't like the metal thing at all.
Yeah.
It looks fine.
Just a brick looked fine, yeah.
Yeah.
Wine,
I feel like
fine.
they should have. Oh my gosh! It's a phone case.
That unnecessary thing at all.
Okay.
Why this metal plate? Oh boy.
Why is the metal part on the inside?
I know an answer why.
Why?
To grab our attention on the beginning, because the melting part very satisfying and very catchy for viewers, so they put it metal on the brick to grab our attention.
Guys, I don't appreciate this.
And to explain what was this for,
look at that
they
money
did it
in
for the
there.
end.
Okay. That look
Oh,
pretty.
rich boy.
Yeah, very rich boy. Okay, guys, question of the day. Is this better with the phone or without the phone?
Let us know in the comments.
What's going on? He's got an axe.
And here's Johnny.
Here's Johnny!
Here's crafting. He destroys his wardrobe.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
And he's sewing it off. I'm sure he's gonna come up with something useful For now, he's just destroying stuff.
I'm not so sure. I mean,
Let's see.
I mean, you know what?
Well, he's
I'm
cleaning
gonna
up.
tonight. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna get into my closet,
Mess it up.
and I'm gonna see if it actually has a secret room behind my closet.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if my landlord's gonna like that though, when he discovers a massive hole that just leads to the outside.
Would he make like Shadow like a play with dolls? Like
Hi, Mr.
Yeah.
Mr. Frigid. Hey, it's me.
cupboard and where's my wardrobe? You just broke it.
Oh gosh, I don't know what he's doing.
It is a secret. It's like a
It's
magic
Narnia.
door. Yeah,
It's freaking Narnia, guys.
yeah. That's how you go there.
What? He just built Narnia in his
Well,
closet.
the gateway.
The gateway. Yeah. No, he's actually building.
He's actually gonna. I bet he's making a playroom for his children. That you go through the wardrobe and it looks magical. He's a sweet dad.
I thought it was a panic room.
Well, it could be a panic room full of bright colors to calm you down.
Yes, exactly.
He's such a sweet man. Look
He's
at
a
him
sweet man.
with his shirt.
Considerable. Oh,
If he's doing it for him, please make it not be for him.
I really hope it's not for him. Although we're not judging.
Yep, yep,
Whatever floats your boat.
yep.
But
His inner child.
yeah,
He's so in. It's in the closet. He's okay. Oh,
his inner child's in the closet and he's going.
it's behind the closet.
Oh gosh,
Ah, that's actually cute.
I'm getting creepy vibes.
It's a Ford. Okay, come on. It's a Ford. It's a nice Ford.
It's okay. If it really is what it is, it's kind of cool.
Yeah. I wish my dad did something like
Yeah,
that
I know.
instead of
Look
just.
how happy he looks.
Yeah.
But
Woo! Look at it.
all right,
You got
all
it.
right,
Yeah.
we're saved. We're
I'm
saved.
gonna clap for this.
You called it. You
Yeah.
called it. It's cool. It's sweet.
It's thoughtful. It's
It's- yeah,
considerate.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right, good for you, man. But you know, not every one of us has a massive hidden room behind the closet,
Yeah. Or a dad.
or or a closet. Oh man, that was amazing.
That was so beautiful.
That was nice. Tell us if you liked it in the comments, guys. See you next time.